Welcome to Compai's Expat channel. I'm Compai. I am Susua's voice of reason. Guys, today I decided to come to the beach. One of the reasons I live here is to go to the beach, which I hardly ever do. But guys, today I want to really get into something that I think might be a problem for a lot of renters coming up soon. Well, I'll tell you a place where you won't have a problem renting is at Casa de Compai. There's a lot of places to rent in Susua. If you're looking for peaceful, affordable, and tranquil, look at Casa de Compai, Susua's hidden gem. When you're ready to reserve at Casa de Compai, my contact information is in the description down below. Guys, thank you for watching my advertisement on my business. If you want to contact me to rent one of my apartments, my contact information will be in the description down below. But guys, what I think is going to be happening a lot in the near future is you're going to be seeing a lot of these rentals fall by the wayside. Now, that happens in every downturn. What I'm concerned about is you renters. When you book your reservation, make sure that property is not going anywhere. Make sure it's not going to be sold on a fire sale. A lot of guys are unloading property right now. I actually did a live video a couple nights ago, and I had two guys come on the chat and say, yep, I'm getting rid of 3 properties. And the other guy said, hey, I'm getting rid of 2. Gracias, senor. I got my Sprite. Gracias, senor. So yeah, so people are starting to move properties. Where I live, there's a guy that owns 5 villas, and he's selling all 5. He told his neighbor, a good friend of mine, a couple days ago, hey, I'm getting rid of all 5. I'm just tired of it. So that's what's going to be happening. Whew. Beautiful day on Playa Susua. Absolutely stunning. We got the waves are kicking up pretty high behind me today. I was hoping to go swimming. You got surfers down below. Walking on the beach, I just saw some surfers, so I did that quick short. But let me get back into this, guys. When these people start unloading these condos, let's say they have you in their rental pool, and they sell it, there's no guarantee your reservation is going to get ported over to the new owner. What if your reservation's for January, and the new owner says, I'm using it in January? Well, he didn't take a deposit from you. The guy who sold it did. So you'll lose your deposit and you'll come down here and not have a reservation. That's why it's just so important to know who you're dealing with. And that runs into another problem. A lot of these guys who were the individual condo owner just got bounced off of Airbnb. So they lost that ability to connect with their client base. So you don't have that luxury of having that other entity, a middleman, to guarantee your reservation. I'm smoking one of my cigars, Compai cigar. So if you ever stay at my property, I have my own cigar line with my cigar lounge / bar for my clients, exclusively for my clients and people that I grant permission to. So if you're in town, you want to check it out, shoot me a text and come on in and have a look at condos and enjoy the cigar lounge and bar, and hopefully you'll rent next time. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing. And I honestly believe it's going to get worse, because that's always been a problem down here. They would always double book because people cancel on us all the time, and they don't tell us that they cancel a lot of times. They were like, hey, what time are you arriving tomorrow? Oh, I canceled 2 months ago. No, you didn't. Nope. Oh, sorry, I forgot. So it happens. So that's why a lot of guys come down here and double book. So it's going to come back on the tenant this time. I really believe you're going to see some of these condos just getting sold real quick owners are going to walk away and say, not my problem, you know. So how do you get around that? Deal with somebody you know. One of the reasons that I'm going to come out of this stronger than I went into is my longevity. Been doing this a long time. People know Casa de Compai is not going anywhere. Been down here too long. Been doing this too long. I got my client base built up, but I'm also growing my client base. I'm out there. That's one of the reasons I'm doing social media, so you can see I'm still here. I ain't going anywhere. I got nowhere else to go. Well, what movie was that? Well, but anyway. So, if you're that owner who got bounced off of Airbnb, you're going to have to find ways to connect with your clients, and I think it's going to be easier said than done. When I had those guys pop on my chat the other night and say, hey, we're unloading, we're getting rid of it, that's happening sooner than I thought. I thought at least they would stick it out through the high season, but they're not even getting to that part. They're not even getting that far. This is my Connecticut. It's my most mild cigar. This is call this my daily smoke, or my breakfast cigar. So, getting back to the topic. A lot of you guys who come down here and rent, you don't know who your owners are. You don't actually know who owns that condo. It's nice. My clients like the fact that they can call my WhatsApp and get me or my assistant. We share that number, so we're accessible. You know, they know they can come to us, and that's one of the reasons that people who run their business, boots on the ground here, have an edge over the people that don't. Because it's going to get to that point where you're going to see the volume of rentals start shrinking. You might even see these guys double booking as well. They're going to take every reservation they can. They're going to, this way at least they're getting deposits, and then if they sell it, they sell it. Or whoever pays the most money for that reservation will get that rent. I'm not saying it's a guarantee to do that, but it's happened in the past. I've seen that before. And I don't want to see you guys coming down here who work hard to get that airline ticket. You only have so many vacation days a year to have that drama and BS when you come down here on vacation. Because Sosua is going to pull through this change extremely well. It's going to be good. This doesn't change behind me. This ocean's going to be here. The sand's going to be here. The beach is going to be here. It may not be the way we recognize it today, but it's still going to be here. And it's important for everybody to understand why they like Sosua. But you want to be able to have that condo rental or that villa rental the way you want it, the way you expect it. And as these villas get knocked offline, condos got knocked offline, a lot of them deal with Airbnb, you got to find a way to connect. You got to make sure you are dealing with somebody you can trust, somebody you know. You know, you want somebody that has stability down here. I guess that's what I'm really trying to say. If you're going to rent with somebody that has stability, that's not going anywhere. And it's going to be hard for you to know as the renter because you're not here. You don't know what happens. You come down here a couple times a year, hopefully that often, and you have a good time. But you know, let's put yourself in a position to succeed. There's a bunch of good guys down here who've been doing business down here a while. Reach out to them, not just me. Reach out to them. We're still going to be here. Our properties are getting better. My property's gotten better. And that's what it's about. We want to provide you, I want to provide you a good vacation rental opportunity, a great condo, lots of amenities outside by the pool, cigar lounge, the bar, with an opportunity to come to this beautiful beach. I mean, look at the color of that water behind me. It's just gorgeous. And that's what what's going to pull Sosua through, because we're just a cool little beach town. But I want to make sure you pull through on your next rental. Make sure you can get a hold of the person that you're renting from. You know who the owner is, that you can contact him directly, or you're using somebody with a good rental agency. Got to have a way to have accountability for you, so you get the products you want. And the other thing is, you got to make sure they haven't, make sure they got the money to do their maintenance, because that's going to be the next thing. The people that are barely holding on are going to be doing the least amount of maintenance as possible, because they don't have the money. If they're barely holding on financially, they're not going to do maintenance. And you got to do maintenance down here. Most of my time is spent doing maintenance. And if the maintenance isn't getting done, the upgrades are not getting done, the improvements aren't getting done, are they paying their condo fees? Has the administration turned off their water? Have they lost their internet if it comes through the administration? There's a lot of little things that, have they paid their electric? Has Hayden and Arte turned off their electric? So all these little things, you don't want to find out. You got problems the day you arrive. You want to make sure they're good before you get here. That's why, again, I say rent from somebody you know is going to be here. Guys, I just want to do that quick little video, show you the beach. I appreciate you watching my channel. Subscribe, hit the like button, and keep leaving those awesome comments. And remember, keep personal private and private personal. Peace out.